Hi, this is Achal Shanbag here. On the Founders Day at Otsar, I remember the great personality, Prem Uncle, who's always given his love and respect to women around. He has been an idol for us, and his memories are always cherished by me. To talk on further, I have chosen the topic as I am not your superwoman. I agree that women have a lot of responsibilities, but maybe we are created and born to fulfill all of them. Every woman today is trying to make a mark for herself. We are striving to do what best we can do. Agreed that earlier the woman used to be just towards her house and the responsibilities scheduled for her. But today we as women have a schedule like, oh, I get up, oh, I have a list of things to be done, I have my kids to be looked after, I have my maids to be taken care of. So the list is never ending. It's like the day begins with thinking about others and the day ends with keeping everybody else happy. So as a superwoman, we forget to look after ourselves. And that's the fact which all of you would agree. Talking more on this topic, we have a lot of responsibilities. Like, I can just give you a short example. As the lockdown started, many of us are working from home. But to think on, are we really working from home? Or are we really juggling between home and work? For others, it's very easy. When it's work from home, it's like sit in one room and that's it, finished. But when we actually go to work, we keep our home aside and we just concentrate on where we are going. Though, there may be many calls which we make, like what is left out in the house or what work is left out, what we have to tell the maids, how we have to guide the children, what we have to tell our other family members. But when we are at home, we have to be physically present for them. But still, this pandemic has also not, made us superwoman. We still are jugglers and will be juggling between our lives. To add on, we are always looked up, like how we dress and what is being seen and what's not seen. And this doesn't suit or this isn't better for you. So there are many things, which keep coming our way, but still we are superwomans, but we are not superwomans. We face many challenges every day. As I said earlier, the work pressure and the house pressure, but still at the end of the day, we get good sleep because either we are tired or we are satisfied. We have many roles to play, and as women, I don't label it as feminism. If somebody says, we are talking about women and for women, definitely we are not superwomen and we shouldn't be spoken about. We are the ones who leave one house and get into another house and make it a happy place for everybody. We are the ones who, have a rebirth, look after our kids, get back to work after all the problems we faced or after all the challenges we faced. We are the ones who have to be the elder in the house and make others understand even though we are not doing good with ourselves. There are many times where we are sick and we need rest, but as we are not superwoman, we need to keep going with what we are doing. And I hope even if anybody and everybody says that you all are superwoman, we should still believe that we are not superwoman. We are doing it because we are capable of doing things. We are doing it because we've got platforms, we've got people who helped us to be what we are today. Only ones who want to achieve something great in life always follow their dreams. And as women and as superwoman or as a human being or as a lady, as a girl, I believe that every woman should have a dream and try to achieve her dream and work on it. Challenges will come. There is no life without challenges, because when you are put into trouble, will you learn to swim? So I hope that whatever I have spoken about will, in literal sense, not mean that I am not a superwoman. Thank you.